Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to not wake screen for notifications, to turn off always on display, to turn off when device is up to 15% charged, and you can also set up a schedule for this mode where you can set up start time, end time, and yeah, that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.